I start with the second questions because it's pretty straightforward here and also quite important. Binomial distribution clearly, and it's like a win or lose games. So you have 10, you play 10 times, and the probability of winning is 1 in 4. And of course, these are the key informations: probability of winning, probability of losing, not getting the bullseye, and so probably at least hitting the bullseye 3 times. Then be using technology, you should get 474, and the probability of hitting between 4 and 6 times inclusive will be this. And so here this is a bit tricky. 10 shots in span of 10 days, so we're talking about a total of 100, and the mean and standard deviation will be as follows. So yep, very straightforward. Mean and standard deviation, there's the formula. And then so use approximation, a normal approximation, that find this probability. And so when you talk about half time, so about, it means it's more than 50, so we take 51. We need to perform this correction. Make sure the correction would include the number 51. And so when you use technology, you get this very small value. And then what does this small value imply? Well, it just means that probably of more than half this shots hitting the bullseye is very small or highly unlikely. And then move on to the third questions, and then so let's write out all the key information first. So here the key information is 250. This is a claim by Orion, and this is the sample size and also the proportion obtained by the competitor. And the formula for calculating 95% confidence interval is as follows. I continue this. So just perform this, utilize the formula, and in the end, the confidence interval between 0.122 and 0.214. And if you want to interpret these confidence interval, our answer, well, we will say that we are 95% confident that the true proportion of customers who prefer Orion lies between 12.2% and 21.4%. So then, does the sample conducted by the competitor support the producer's claim? The company Orion, they say that more than 20% of people like their product. Then the simple answer is no, because 20% lies within, as claimed by the Orion company, between the confidence interval, and so the claim is not supported, and we can't say that the claim by the producer is correct. So in the estimating of the sample size, the desired sample size, I would suggest that you go to this page of the textbook to learn more, finding sample size or proportions. And so all these are key values, and write it down and give you the formula, and we calculate the desired sample size. And so here's the formula, and then maybe you want to know why 0.04, because within 2%, then we're really talking about the idea of like this. This is where the proportion should lie, the left bound, the right bound, and since this is 2%, and there will be 2% here, so in total the width of the confidence interval will be 4%. Anyhow, if you calculate this, you get 1342.4, and we take that as 1343. We can just larger integer. It's okay also if you want to correct this to 3 significant figure to 1350.